GSB सेवा मंडळाच्या 65 वर्साच्या गणेशोत्सवाचे कवरेज तुम्ही यूथ ऑफ GSB पळयता आसाची कितले अद्दुरी जावन आसा म्हणून तुमकां गत आसा आमगेलो तो दिलीप वेंगसरकर सर आसा आमी टीव्हीर पळयलेलो आसा तांकां क्रिकेट खेळटना पळयलेलो आसा तांगेले एक गणपती पळोवन कशी दिसली तांकां म्हणून निमगोया सर आफ्टर कमिंग हियर आफ्टर सीइंग गणपती हाऊ डीड यू फील सर
So I've been coming here for many years. It is a fantastic feeling, and I would like to congratulate all the GSB guys who are here and all the committee members for making it possible for millions of people who come every year. I hope they continue for many years to come. They've been wonderful people, a wonderful Ganpati, and a superbly organized Ganeshotsav, I would say. I'm very extremely happy. And I always look forward to coming here every year.
Since how many years you are coming, sir?
I don't recollect how many years, but I come every year because my friend Mr. Ravi Gadiyar is here. He always calls me, and I got many friends that were GSB. I'm also GSB, so I always look forward to come here. And I have a great darshan also.
I guess you pray for our Team India as well. What did you pray today?
I pray for everybody, not only Team India. I pray for everybody that we must have peace and prosperity in the country. That's very important for us, all of us.
Thanks a lot for talking to youth of GSB.
Thank you. All the very best to you. God bless you. Thank you
so much. इतली वेळ तुम्ही दिलीप वेंगसरकर सराल एक इंटरव्यू ऐकलीची अशी नाही मस्त सेलिब्रिटी होंगे येता आसताची गणपतीला मागता आसताची तुम्ही ह्या वर्सी येनी जाल्यार नेक्स्ट इयर खंडीत येयाची म्हूण सांगून हांव विश करता मस्त धन्यवाद.